Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to recover deleted files or restore deleted files. If you want to recover and restore your all deleted files, so let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see your Google Play Store, open it and then search recover deleted files. And then scroll down and then you can see recover deleted files. Please open this app, recover deleted files. Please install it. And then open it. And then you can choose start, so click here start, and in this time you can see image recover, that's mean photos recover, and then video recover, audio recover, other recover. So first of all click here image recover, and then you can see allow access to manage all files. Please turn on this option, so click on it and turn on this option and then go back. You can choose stay here option, so click on it, stay here and wait few seconds or wait few minutes. And then you can see scanning storage is completed. You can choose cancel option, so click here cancel and then go back. And then first of all open image recover, so click on it image recover, and in this here you can see your all deleted photos, remember, and in this time you can easily recover or restore your all deleted photos or images. So let's see how to do that. So first of all open it and then you can choose and select it your need photos. I can choose and selected these photos, so click on it and select it and then select it, and then you can see restore all option, so click on it restore all and then open. And remember in this here save your recover and restore photos, remember, and then go back, go back, go back, and then you can see video recover, so click on it and open video recover. So in this here you can see your all deleted videos, and in this time you can easily recover and restore your all deleted videos. So let's see how to do that. So open this folder, so click here and open, and then you can choose and select it your need videos. I can choose and selected these videos, so click here and then click here, and then you can see restore all option, so click on it restore all and then open it, and then you can see video, click on it video, and in this here save your recover and restore videos, and then go back, go back, and then you can see audio recover, so click on it audio recover. In this here you can see your all audios, and in this time you can easily recover and restore your all deleted audios. So let's see how to do that. So first of all open this folder, so click here and then choose and select it your need audios. I can choose and select it, so click on it and then click on it, and then you can see restore all, so click here restore all and then open, click on it, and then you can see audio, click here audio, and in this here you can see you recover and restore audios in this here, and then go back, go back, go back, and then you can see other recover, so click on it other recover, In this here you can see your all other files, and in this time you can easily recover and restore your all deleted other files. And then go back and then click on it. See my restore. So click here my restore. Remember, in this here save, you recover and restore all images, all videos, all audios, all other files. Remember, and in this way you can easily recover your deleted files recovery, or recover and restore your all deleted files. And in this way you can easily recover and restore your deleted files. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.